Welcome back to the Mannoe Income Tax and Multi-Services channel where financial literacy meets empowerment. Today, we're diving into the essentials of Schedule H for 2025. The crucial form you need if you've hired a nanny, housekeeper, caregiver, or any household employee. If you've paid someone to assist in your home, this video could save you from potential IRS penalties. So, what exactly is Schedule H? It's a supplemental IRS form used to report household employment taxes. If you've hired someone and paid them $2,700 or more in cash wages in 2024, or $1,000 or more in any calendar quarter of 2023 or 2024, congratulations, you're considered a household employer, and the IRS expects you to file Schedule H. Now, who counts? This includes nannies, housekeepers, caregivers, gardeners, and personal chefs. If you have control over what work is done and how it's done, they're likely classified as employees rather than independent contractors. When it comes to taxes reported on Schedule H, you'll need to include Social Security and Medicare, FICA, Federal Unemployment Tax, FUTA, and any federal income tax withheld, if applicable. Here are some key filing details for 2025. Make sure to attach Schedule H to your Form 1040, 104 OSR, or 104 ONR, and remember to file by April 15. Depending on your location, you may also need to pay state unemployment taxes. It's worth noting that wages paid to your spouse, child under 21, or parent are generally excluded from this requirement. Now, why does this matter? Failing to file Schedule H when required can lead to IRS penalties and interest, a potential audit, and even a loss of eligibility for valuable tax credits or deductions. If you need help navigating this process, let Mannoe Income Tax and Multi-Services guide you through it. Call us at 305-469-1209 or visit mannoetax.com for expert support. If this video helped you understand Schedule H, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel and sharing it with your community. Financial empowerment starts with knowledge, and we're here to deliver it. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.